This video tutorial discusses how to access Creo-related open bugs in Punditas AI Advisor. Punditas is an AI-powered platform revolutionizing the way users train, adopt, and excel with enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric. By leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning, Punditas adapts to user preferences, learns individual needs, and delivers what truly matters, transforming the software experience like never before. Encountering bugs doesn't have to slow you down. With Punditas AI's Open Bugs node, you get centralized access to unresolved issues across a wide range of Creo parametric modules, including part modeling, assembly, sheet metal, surfacing, and much more. Its advanced search capabilities let you find specific bugs quickly, saving time and improving productivity. Trusted and up-to-date information ensures reliability, while its versatility makes it a powerful tool not just for Creo, but for other PTC products as well. Punditas AI Advisor provides real-time guidance as you work in the Creo environment. Information on how to use a feature in Creo or best practices for working with Creo are presented within context, removing the need to guess or search for such information. Punditas AI-driven content helps you leverage Creo to create your designs faster and with confidence. Punditas AI can be accessed from within PTC Creo user interface. Punditas AI allows users to explore different perspectives. For Creo open bugs, select Support Perspective as shown here. Search for any Creo-related topic within the search box provided, for example, Material Removal Cut. Punditas AI-based Insights Engine presents search results in the form of a knowledge graph that includes open bugs, closed bugs, workarounds and reference docs for PTC Creo as shown in the picture. The left pane allows filtering of perspectives such as product, support, customer, references and partner. 201 search results for Material Removal Cut is displayed, of which 10 search results pertaining to open bugs. The support perspective in Punditas AI equips users with powerful resources to resolve technical issues with Creo. Punditas knowledge graph structure helps users quickly find specific Creo-related information by organizing data. The knowledge graph for support perspective offers 4 key data streams: closed bugs, open bugs, workarounds, and reference documents. This comprehensive approach ensures users have the tools they need to troubleshoot effectively and keep their workflows running smoothly. Now let's explore the 10 open bugs available for Material Removal Cut. This page provides a detailed view of the searched topic. The top pane displays the number of search results, such as 10 open bugs in this case. All these open bugs are curated by Punditas AI. The Open Bugs Cloud offers a visual representation of popular open bugs, making it easier for you to find relevant and up-to-date PTC Creo bugs. The left pane allows you to filter open bugs. Additional information about this pane will be covered later in this video. While the data table displays all the search results for the search string Material Removal Cut. To review a specific open bug in the data table, expand the row by clicking on plus button as shown. Each open bug within Punditas AI shows the title, description, module name as well as the source of that data. Although each bug is automatically tagged for easy retrieval, users can additionally add tags using Tag This option. Punditas AI offers a powerful feature that eliminates the need to visit the PTC Support Portal or PTC Update Advisor to access detailed information about open bugs or SPR. Each bug or SPR includes a plus button next to the SPR number, providing instant access to in-depth details about the SPR or open bug. This functionality is exclusive to the paid version of Punditas AI Advisor and is not available to demo users. To unlock full access, sign up for a trial or contact Punditas for pricing details. One of the important aspects of Punditas AI Advisor is the hyperlink back to Open Bug or SPR on the PTC Support Portal. Click Open Bug on PTC eSupport Portal. Each open bug includes related notes, and any available workarounds can be viewed by clicking on the associated link. As mentioned previously, the left pane allows users to filter open bugs based on Creo releases. For example, the filter includes Creo 7, 4, 3 and 2 releases, each containing references to material removal cut. To access videos, help and other perspectives/nodes in the knowledge graph, click on the back button from detailed view for the open bugs. Struggling with unresolved bugs in your workflow? Punditas AI's Open Bugs node provides a centralized solution to access detailed and up-to-date information across all Creo modules. With advanced search functionality and trusted insights, it helps you resolve issues faster and more efficiently. Tailored for Creo and beyond, it's your game-changing tool for minimizing downtime and boosting productivity. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.